Oh, what a lovely day to just sit on the couch and do nothing. Oh. Fuck SpongeBob. I hate SpongeBob. I hate SpongeBob. He's so stupid with his butt teeth. I hate SpongeBob. Hate him.
Hey Mario, I'm going on my walk. Did you, I don't know, maybe want to join me or something? It'd be fun.
Oh, no thanks, Luigi. I'm good.
Okay, fine. I'll just go myself, as usual. Oh, so nice out here. Ow. So nice out here. Ow, better run for a little bit. Oh man, Mario really has to come on one of these walks with me one day. So nice and breezy out here. I'm using to cut these. Wait, an egg? Out here? It's so cold. Ow. It's falling over. Oh man, just wait till Mario gets away from you, Eggy. I don't know. Oh well.
You stupid Mario brother. You fell right to my trap, you dumb freak. Ow, ants.
Oh, Luigi, you're here early. What happened? What happened to your walk?
Well, I was on my walk, Mario, and then I found this.
Whoa, it's like an egg. Is this like a bird egg or something? I don't really know animals that well, actually.
Oh, Mario, like, birds aren't the only animals that lay eggs. This could have been like a lizard, or like a turtle, or like a bird or something.
Oh, well, okay, is this thing gonna like hatch and like eat us or something? Or can we, maybe we can eat this egg, Luigi?
I don't think I'd want to eat this egg. It has like green dots on it. That might not taste pretty good.
Oh, right, okay. So what do you want to do with this egg then?
I have no clue.
Okay, well, maybe, I don't know. We should crack it open and see if we can eat it.
Oh my gosh, Mario, the egg. Oh, it stopped. Oh, well, that was scary.
Oh, and maybe it's dead now, so maybe we can eat it now.
No, Mario, obviously there's something in here that's gonna hatch. We need to, like, take care of it. Maybe we should sit on it, you know? Like how, like, birds do, they sit on their eggs. We should do that.
Oh, yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave you up to do that, Luigi. I'm gonna call somebody who knows about eggs. Maybe, Dino Dean, that guy, he is eggs, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna call him. You can sit on that if you want.
Alrighty. Guess I'll have to be your Mama Luigi or something. Hey, stand up. Stand up. So I can sit on you. There. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna take you somewhere else flatter.
It's all coming together. Eventually that egg will hatch and the Mario Brothers they're gonna die or something.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna probably beat you up in that arm wrestling contest, yeah. And I'm gonna beat you up if you come to my house. I bet you won't, you freaking suck. You're a loser, I hate you, you're fucking stupid, I hate you. Okay, that should bring him here, hopefully. Okay, that was fast. Yeah, let's go fight upstairs. Yeah, there's something upstairs there's like an arena up there we can go fight. Come on, let's go, hurry, let's go. Come on. Alright, come on, let's keep it going just a little bit. Where's the arena? Oh, actually we need your help with this egg. Yeah, there is no arena or anything. We just need your help with this, and I know this will be the best thing. Fine. Oh, sorry. The arena is not, ow. That's right. Don't say that here. Yeah, definitely a dino egg. And it might catch and kill every single one of us in here. Depending on the species, of course. Oh my gosh. No way Luigi got a dinosaur in here. Yeah, well, they usually don't hatch in the cold season. They're usually on Dino Island. I don't even know how Luigi got this dinosaur from, like, this egg from. I don't even know how he got it from. Well, Luigi, why would you bring a dinosaur? Why would you bring a dinosaur to Guitar?
Mario, wait, hold on, it's hatching. What? Hey, little guy. Don't hurt us, please.
The crescendo of my plan is about to begin.
Your plan? What are you talking about? What plan do you have going?
My plan was simple. To get you to take that dinosaur egg inside the house, and when it hatched, it would kill the first thing it saw. Sees.
Wolf.
Oh, Luigi.
Oh,
Okay, oh, alright. Oh, well, that was unexpected. Didn't expect him to be friendly, that's nice.
what the heck? I knew I picked the wrong one. Damn it. No worries. Guess I'll just have to kill you myself. But first of all, you die first. Die.
You want me to bribe you? Okay, here we go. We'll be seeing him for a while.
Oh, well, nice dinosaur. Nice boy. I guess we'll keep him.
Let me put this in the safe place. And that's how we got Yoshi.
Whoa, that's like tubular, dude. You got like a dinosaur. That's awesome.
Yeah, he's a pretty cool. I don't really know what to feed him exactly though.
Well, I'm glad that the little roly-poly guy, Borak or whatever, is gone. That's good. Oh, he was a real nuisance. Oh, now I'm glad he's gone though. Oh, where'd you like put him at, dude? Put him in a safe place.
Don't forget that we're doing that arm wrestling contest, and I'm gonna beat you in that arm wrestling contest. Mark my words.
I'm gonna even breathe the broadside of a broad.
Like Super Mario Land. Check this out.